I've been trying to film all day. Earlier today, it was a bunny in that film. Oh, let me introduce myself. This is your girl Valerie, aka High Priestess Super Vixen, your conversationalist. On this fine moon day, I'm out here observing animals for the proper animal totem, right? And earlier it was the bunny, and the bunny took off running earlier, and the video just didn't work out, right? Right now I'm watching this bunny, and it's been sitting in that position for maybe a whole minute, looking at the woods, trying to calculate if it's in danger or not. And then recently, if you look further, you'll see that squirrel. That squirrel passed by the bunny very, as one of my ex-husbands would say, gingerly, right by, and they didn't bother one another. I thought that was interesting. Okay? And before this incident where this rabbit is in this particular pose, there were several crows out here first. And by the time I got my phone, there were only 2 crows. And if you look way over yonder, you may be able to see the crows way over there. And some big crows were in the woods in this direction. And Hunty, that doggone bunny has not lost its focus yet. Both ears are pointed in that direction. There is an analysis being done. I can almost see its body. Oh, now it's absolutely still. I saw, oh, the ears moved a little more. And it's paying attention to something in the woods. I thought I'd keep it on here just to see, because sometimes I catch very interesting experiences with animals. Now 2 of those crows are back. Oh, and there's a 3rd one over there, 4th over there. And that's another thing I do, is I tend to count the animals too. Okay? Like how many crows, how many turtles are in that day, because the number sometimes is a message, the amount. And what I do when I deal with animal totems, I look at them as, messages and what they could possibly mean. Like right now, it's the bunny. And you kind of look and see what does the bunny mean to you. You look at what the universal meaning of the bunny is. And then you think, what would the universe be trying to tell you when you're dealing with questions about certain situations in life and such? So you literally can close your eyes and then say, universe or Mother Gaia, or, whatever you believe. It's gone. It's not trusting something. Okay, it's... Oh, the screen is kind of amplified. Oh, there you are. So it moved, and now it's hunched in that little area, looking forward. It's more in the shade, and it's looking forward. It's watching something or someone. You see its movements? And you look and you observe what animals are doing in regards to what's going on inside of you and in your life, right? And you get your answers. That's just one way to look for communications, right? So, anywho, I just thought I'd let you know about that. And we'll just enjoy this fabulous day. See what things mean to you, a way that the universe will communicate with you. And that's it. You have a fabulous day. And bye for now.